Hello everyone! I love you so much. Today we are learning everyday English conversations that you can use at home, at school, at work, everywhere. You will learn 4 short dialects and repeat after me. Let's start. Dialogue 1. Meeting someone. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine. What's your name? I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Useful phrases. How are you? I'm great, thanks. Nice to meet you. Practice. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Dialogue 2. At the store. Excuse me, how much is this? It's $5. Okay, I'll take it. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Useful phrases. Excuse me, how much is this? I'll take it. Practice. Say, how much is this? Again, how much is this? Dialogue 3. Ordering food. Hello, can I have a cup of coffee, please? Sure. Small or large? Small, please. Anything else? No, thank you. That's it. Useful phrases. Can I have? Anything else? That's it. Practice. Dialogue 4. Making simple plans. Are you free today? Yes, after 6. Let's meet at the park. Sounds good. See you later. See you. Useful phrases. Are you free today? Sounds good. See you later. Practice. Say, sounds good. Revision. Say each phrase after me. Excuse me. How much? Nice to meet you. Free. Available. Sounds good. Take it. Anything else? See you later. Mini speaking practice. Are you free today? Give me options for you to answer. Yes, I'm free. I'm free after 7. No, I'm busy today. Write your answers in the comments, please. Thank you for watching Top Lingo. If you want a video with more dialects, comment more conversations, more dialects. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this class. See you soon.